Today you will be learning how you can easily update WhatsApp to the latest version. So guys, first of all, you will have to head over to the settings of your phone. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Now you'll have to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find Apps section. After that, tap on Apps section. Once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down again and you'll have to look for WhatsApp in this list. Go down all the way, and after you have found WhatsApp, you'll have to tap on WhatsApp to open it. Now you'll have to navigate to the storage section. You'll have to tap on it, and then you'll have to tap on clear cache. Basically, it will clear all the cache files that will make the use of WhatsApp more smooth. Now go back. Now go down all the way, and on the bottom you'll be able to find an option of app details in store. You'll have to tap on it. Basically, it will take you to the Google Play Store where you'll be able to find WhatsApp Messenger. And in my case, I've just updated it to the latest version, but in your case it might be an option of update instead of open. So you'll have to tap on that option to update your app to the latest version to get all the latest features, and you'll be good to go. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button below and like the video. And if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out.